Hello, a charjan agus fáilte go Cluicheamaid, far sin dú a cúmal áin le Valhalla. Ha na ciad pásin van Jack and Shachai in history earthing YouTube. Ma had daine a dhí catch up ach a dú bí sin cúmal áin, ha sin dal a bhríon rí sigurt, sa sin dal bhirtig a hapach an na Kvot Kjotve. I mean, smention Greshen and I'm an Eid. Agus hí sé mar héit gain. Ha mi iad becan chluich ha mi dal glus at fall of a nioin ha seo or had car chluama. Ha mi iad becan a bharach go chluich an turas mi a chunne of me. Is mar sin ha mi iad written the anu hishu ha mi iad na wealth mystery artifacts iad sin ulla go lerach an sa scíre ha seo. Díirt ra mi mar side quest agus written nach éil coheantu dí se a fríomh scéalach mar go bug. Sin an plána ha go an gluis sin príomh scéalach a game éad Cluicheamaid ach gon gemmi side quest is written éile an áit gan éile. So cumimi sin áin agus hí sin ha sigurt I géirí ach mín dáchas go bí coheantu í curas da Kjotve.
Eivor, you missed the opening act. Kjotve's forward camp melted like a spring thaw at our approach.
Is it from here we launch our attack?
We do indeed, and we are ready to fight. King Harold's forces are well in place. Only give the word.
I will, but before we strike, I have a request.
Name it.
That Eivor may give challenge to Kjotve at the gate of his fortress. A battle to the death in single combat.
Is this what you want?
Kjotve robbed my father of all honor and dignity. I will win it back.
When honor is at stake, let none interfere. And if Kjotve should die before the battle begins, all the better for our chances.
Come on, feed.
Today my blade must do the work of Skull's sharp scissors and cut short the cord of Kjotve's fate.
Ooh. Tell him we got dramatach sa
warrior scout. May we all live to hear that saga sung.
Farking mar gewelu is got the cat Game of Thrones here again.
Eivor, a word.
Basim, Hytham. This feud is not yours, yet you fight it all the same. I find that strange.
You find it strange because you are wrong. Our clan, the Hidden Ones, have been fighting with Kjotve's order for centuries.
Templar, Hannah.
You came from Miklagard to kill Kjotve yourself.
We did. Or rather, we came so that Hytham could kill him. My apprentice has been studying this target for many months.
Oh well.
Is Kjotve's reputation so great outside Norway?
Not his reputation alone, but the order to which he belongs. Something of a rival clan to our own.
Hytham, I mean no disrespect to you or the Hidden Ones, but Kjotve is mine. My family's honor is at stake.
I understand. All that matters is that Kjotve dies this day.
You're smashing,
On that, we are agreed.
Oh, okay, she doll half etch. And I Kjotve. Gelukkig een Vlad. Hello, Crystal Cat. Let's go now. En we should come now. I mean, toch is Krasta. Kjotve.
Sigurd is only here to watch me feed your innards to my raven.
Look at this! Once again, Abel Wolfkiss appears to take a swipe at me.
Oh, da. Hua, okay.
This is my father's shame. Today I take back the honor he lost. I call a home gang here against the Oathbreaker.
I will make you beg, as your father begged, Wolf-Kiss. Squeal,
Genial
as your mother
Black
squealed.
Action. Yn tasio you. Okay. Shashin. Oh,
You
Shashin.
destroyed my life. I will take yours.
You are weak,
Okay.
like your father was weak.
Okay. Han jag rations ac am. I
You
sin
dance
irvi gli.
better than you fight.
Okay, a Cloudberry
Cannot
helmet.
avoid your death. Come, embrace your destiny.
Ri gonna rwrdd e sio. Can. Okay. Because hear me cuach ood nio ga. Shall I sio? Okay. Is e fel y dalgain? Yeah, hij dalgain. Da hwa. Ham ik gemaakt er sgyfer a house.
Drink your blood.
Oh, geniaal.
Will
Saai
be
het
my
je
wolves.
Okay. Okay. Get the hawker. Get the hawker.
I will have your heart.
Yuck. Okay. Okay.
And a perch for each of you ravens.
Ha savage amsa game na seo na sasca iad is a good Dark Souls agus Bloodborne agus rutain mar sin na ha iad seamí everything. Okay. Cimhin a níos seo. Okay. Cool.
You will rot.
Okay. Okay. Ys yn Jenny cysgu dad. Woof, woof. Ah. Okay.
Hide them!
Amatan. Amatan.
Shameful trick, Wolf-Kiss.
Oh, woof.
You are your father's child.
Gee, daghast.
Rise, Eivor. And awaken.
Odin,
Gee, happened.
what do you want of me?
You have won your prize, Wolf-Kiss. The glory of my death. All for this? Your coward father is empty sacrifice. Heed the price of our war, Wolf-Kiss. The harvest of 3 dead generations. All their names unknown. It all means nothing.
No. My clan will not be forgotten!
I fought as I did, as hard as I did, to survive, for I know what awaits us in the end. Only darkness.
Darach. Ha an ceol ma amsa game seo. Sin feed. Agus hello Teeth Bard Kidjach. Come on how.
Your lives are forfeit. Come forward if you must. Into the crucible of your doom.
Your father is dead, Gorm! His debt's repaid! Open the gates and you will be spared!
Wallow in shit, wolf-kissed! Archers, take aim!
Okay.
Ravens, shoot! No mercy!
Archers, fire!
Get those ladders up, you
Wel, corp. Zo. Waar de ancient line. Hoe dier is dan echt in de raw. Roots bielen en wat harder. Right. Elm. Go steak and that, ja. How much you go, man? Aye. Give it a how heen, chief Pàirt. Aye, Chris the Catalyst. Ha mi héinear mácha ha an ceol carí má nu a how is get the dom cuirt a fiachin bhí sábach a bhí clé mar hiding mar bu or ha go má intense right. Aye, mi h-Ochd go bhí sapach leis an ort agus leis an dúr. Unlock the outer gate. The lock is destroyed. Continue. Oh wow. Shashin. Aye, yeah. Hi, Guma, again, it aid on the Valhalla. Shouldn't serve a Gavella Lena Hasharam. Ach, oops. Warbringer. Okay. Ach, I nisht. Killing Aun is sitting Dalkiad. Shashin. Hey. Shashin. Sights again. Right, okay, I can go Gorge. Get you make a veil. Oops. On chin, yeah. Oh, okay. Whoopty shin. I got him. It's a chunk. Shachat in a nyonya hasha. Shin got him.
Has made you predictable.
You are a shadow of your father, Gorm. Weak and witless.
And you will leave this place as ashes on the wind.
China. Yep. Okay. Strap. Kajach. Mach.
Coward Gorm flees. His father dies twice today.
I could really get Gaelic model legend. Lavin Alaska Ganesh. Alright. Nah. Complete. Clown H-Ochd Manav.